Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create AI characters with Hailuo AI. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. Start by deciding what kind of character you want to create. Think about the character's appearance, clothing, age, personality, and environment. Now write a clear prompt describing your character. For example, you could write, a young futuristic explorer wearing a detailed silver jacket, standing in a high-tech city, realistic face, cinematic lighting. And a professional cinematic style. Try to include important visual details, but keep the prompt easy to understand. You can describe the character's hairstyle, clothing, facial features, colors, and overall appearance. After creating your character prompt, generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to process it. When the result is ready, preview the video carefully. Check the character's face, body, clothing, movement, and overall appearance. If you want to improve the character, adjust the prompt and add more specific details. You can also describe the action you want the character to perform, such as walking, talking, looking at the camera, or interacting with the environment. For better consistency, try to keep the character description similar whenever you generate new scenes.